and welcome to Mon Jardin, Oakwan. I'm Erica, and haven't been posting very many videos, or actually I haven't posted any videos for about a month or so. So I'm getting back into it because after the holidays, had a little bit of sicky going around, but we're all good. We all tested negative, so we're all good. But we just kind of had some sort of allergies or something. But anyway, this is a new year, gonna be a new garden. So I'm gonna start doing some unboxing videos, and then also some videos about the seeds that I'm gonna be doing, garden plans, just different things like that. But today, I ordered some stuff from Bootstrap, or I had ordered some stuff a while back, and I received from Bootstrap Farmer. So I'm pretty excited to see what we can come up with the contents inside here. So let me go ahead and open it so I can show you guys what I got. Got it in there. They taped it really well, so that's a good sign. Also, I'm in my living room. We call this little guy Fred, our Monstera deliciosa. He gets a little bit crazy sometimes, but we did have him by the window and the heater was blowing down on him, but we had the Christmas tree over here, so we moved him back and hoping that he perks back up again. All right, so these beautiful things are seed starting pots, and when I ordered them, it was a little cheaper to go a step up. Actually, I'm gonna have to see how many I bought. I was just gonna get a few of them, but it was a little cheaper to get more, and it's looking like a lot more than what I imagined whenever I ordered them. So anyway, so we got the different colors. They are very sturdy, so we're gonna have quite a few really good plants going. Has their logo on there. I don't know if you can see it. I wanted the ones with the blue because I'm a sucker for blue, but we can color code it. Tomatoes one color, and then other things another color. And I got, oh, these are very sturdy. Yeah. I remember now what I did. So I got these little plug things because it was on sale for $2 or something ridiculous. So I went ahead and got one of them to try it, but they're very small, so. Plant some little tiny things in there. Okay, yeah. I think I got the 240 count. So it's a little cheaper to get them like that. You can, you know, the price goes down the more you get, of course, but so, and then I got these. They're much sturdier than what you would get at a nursery. The ones at the nursery, you know, they're kind of flimsy because they're meant to just be used for that purpose. But this, I can definitely see where it'll be able to be reused for years and years and years. So, and it holds, I believe, 32 of these. I'm not sure. I'm going to stack some in here and then come back and tell you how many I counted. Okay, so 4 wide and 8 deep. So 32 of them will fit in here. So not too bad. And I got 5 of them, a package of 5 of them. I think that was probably the more expensive thing, was these actual tray things. But yeah, I'm going to have lots of, do you hear the tea going? I guess we'll need to go get that here in a second. But anyway, I'm planning on starting some here in the next couple weeks. I'm trying to do, right now it's January 19th, so trying not to go too crazy because we need to not start them too early and have them be stunted in their little pots. But you can start some things like brassicas or maybe some alliums and things like that. So brassicas, you know, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower. Alliums are like garlic or onions and leeks and things like that. So we could start those inside here, and then, you know, whenever they're time to go out there, we can go ahead and plant them out about 4-ish weeks before the frost. So they'll be okay in the cold. They don't mind it. They actually kind of like it. But things like peppers and tomatoes and herbs and various things like that, they need to wait. You need to wait until closer to like the middle to late of February, because they won't like it. They'll hang out inside, they get too big, or you put them out too early, and they just don't like the cold. But getting excited. I've ordered loads and loads of seeds, and you guys know how I feel about seeds. I've told you before, I was always jealous of people, and I would be like, what are you, 80? You're planting seeds? But it's just because I didn't think that I had the time to do it. But yeah, definitely forcing myself to try new things and get some good stuff started. And we'll have a big thing to show you guys here in the next few weeks as well, that I'm very excited about. So, but just wanted to pop in and talk about the Bootstrap Farmer stuff, and the unboxing, and then just kind of a little bit of what my plans are. So the garden troll brought me my tea in one of my favorite mugs. You guys know what this is a reference to? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is what it looks like once it's all filled up. 32 of them. I think the worst part about it will be the soil. The cost of the soil and getting it in there. But so I buried the lead on why I got these, to put the little seed cups in, and why it's important for them to be sturdy. I'm gonna do bottom watering, so that way I don't damage my poor little seedlings, and it'll also keep some of the pests away from it, like fungus gnats and things like that. So there you go. Yeah, I think like green might be peppers, the pink might be like flowers, and then maybe do orange for tomatoes or bell peppers or something like that. So anyway, well, I guess that'll be all for now. Like I said, just or ask me questions in the comments, or if you have any other things, I might put a link down to the Bootstrap Farmer thing in case you guys want that for something. But anyway, I guess happy garden planning for 2022. So, see you guys next time. Bye. I forgot to say some other stuff. So I'm going to be on some podcasts, and I was on an international workshop for gardening in America or gardening in Oklahoma. And it's on the Affordable Organic store. And I'll put the link below also, as well as some links to a couple of podcasts that I'll be appearing on pretty soon. So you guys keep a lookout for them, and do listen to them before I'm on there, just so you can kind of hear what they've got going on. There's some exciting guests that they have. It's amazing. One's a good friend, the Derek Duvall Show. And then I'll be on the Chris and Christine Show. They're out of California. And then there's another gentleman that'll be doing a movie podcast with me, or that I'll be doing a movie podcast with him. So I won't reveal what movie it's going to be, but I'm sure you guys will probably figure out something close to it. There have been hints of what I wanted to do, but not going to be able to do it. So anyway, but just keep a lookout for that. Also, an Instagram live on the 27th of January through the Affordable Organic store. So like I said, I'll put their links down there so you can be sure and catch all those. So, all right, talk to you later. Bye.